Is absent today? All are present. That's very good. But some of the children are a bit passive. The passive may be start. Why have you become this much passive? If you remain passive like this, then what can? Class 8. We are nearly at the end of the syllabus. So how many chapters will be asked during second term? 6 chapters, right? Chapter 1 to chapter 6. What is the first chapter? Scientific learning. Second chapter? ICT. Third chapter? Living beings and their structure. Fourth chapter? Biodiversity. And environment? And fifth chapter? Life process. And sixth chapter? Ocean. So students they have presented a lot. I think now two groups they are presenting, right? Which groups are this? Madam Curie, Newton and Hawking. So just a minute, I'm just going to tell. New chapter is there today. What is the new chapter? Pressure, right? Pressure, definition, formula, and factors affecting pressure, relation of pressure with its factors, daily life examples related to pressure. Here is X. Why do we use razor also? You can see my long beard. We have to remove this short, then what to do? What to do? I have to use razor, right? Razor can be used. Or what can be used? Another, that machine is also there. Hair cutting machine is there, right? So it's quite faster. Now, or if I want to make this more shorter one, I can use scissors also, right? Scissors are it. And sometimes the cloth may get torn, and we can stitch it, right? For stitching also we use a kind of weight, a kind of item. I think needle is used, and to pierce the nose trails, this one, and here this one also needle. But nowadays we can get gun, desi gun, right? Gun, gone. These examples and some formulae are there. Liquid pressure and some formulas of liquid pressure are there. Eh? What is the formula of liquid pressure? You have to remember what is the formula? P equals to D at G. What is D? What is S? What is G? Characteristics of liquids. And so here you can notice these things. Compressed air. Have you seen such type of device somewhere else? Where can you get this one? Atom bomb. So it is found in motorcycle garage. So it is used for in bicycles repairing shop also we can get like it. There might be, yeah. Okay. I either manual or another automatic. This is automatic one. And their pressure gauge, atmospheric pressure, mercury barometer, importance of atmospheric pressure, and chapter will be over. So now today who is going to present? Let's see. Okay, let's welcome on the stage SARVANI GAUTAM. Pay attention, make back, relax. Well, you can come out, you can trust that after one. Why? Who you are? Pay attention what is going on. I mentioned that. Because observation is very important. What happened? Why is it taking long time to open?
So slow, sir. Namaskar and good morning to you all. As you know, I'm SARVANI GAUTAM from group Stephen Hawking here to present about pressure. So let's start without wasting all of your time. And, okay. So in the first slide we have here Stephen Hawking, which is our group's guru, I guess. He is an theoretical physicist and cosmologist. He was born in 1942, January 8. He died on 2018, March 14. Oh my god. So the first topic is here pressure. When force are applied, changes occur. So here, as you can see, here are two pictures. One of a person with a heel and one of a person with a shoes. Which one do you think have more pressure? Heel. Why does it have more pressure? Because if there is less area, the pressure will be more, and if there is more area, the pressure will be less. So here a pencil heel has more pressure than these four shoes. For pressure is force acting per unit area. So part. Pressure is not exactly force, but it is related with force. Pressure depends in mainly two factors: amount of force applied or weight of a body, the surface area of the body. So here you can see I said the same thing right here. Force and pressure are not the same thing. Relation of pressure with this factor. The greater the force or the smaller the area, the greater the force or the smaller the area, the greater the pressure. So here is the same thing which I said on the first slide. As I said, if the area is small, then the pressure is more, and if area is more, the pressure is not that much as. Unit of pressure. The SI unit of pressure is SI unit of force by SI unit of area, which is nm square or nm minus square. The SI unit of pressure is thus Newton per square meter, which is also called Pascal PA. Liquid pressure. Pressure is transmitted through the liquid. Pressure acts in all directions. Pressure increases with the depth. So in this picture, if we pour some liquid right here, the pressure will be all over this glass, and this has no direction. It will flow in every direction. And if the water increases, here will be more pressure than upper side. Let's take an example. A syringe is here. This is a syringe, okay, not anything else. Okay, the syringe is here. If we put force over here, the water come out from here, right? But if we block this thing over here and put a hole over here, the water can come from this too. So that means the pressure have no direction. And one more thing I would like to say about pressure is that imagine a guy standing, right? And this is a fan, okay? This is a fan, and when force is applied in the fan, the pressure will come out and the pressure will hit this guy, and if this guy moves from his position, then it's pressure. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. I think tomorrow whose duty is there? Eunice duty. Okay. Eunice, will you come to the chapter? Let's try, but I have to go a bit fast. And you have to say some other things also, like Stephen Hawking. Okay, Stephen Hawking are there. You can go and sit here, this side. Yeah, here on this side. So you don't afraid with him. He doesn't do anything. He doesn't do homework also. He doesn't do anything also. You will hit. Or you come this side. You will block. You come this side. More. Go more. I will more. Yes. Okay. So this is the last portion of the chapter force and motion, right? Yes or no? And pressure is given here one formula. What is that? P equals to F by A. That means we can see the ratio of force and pressure is called, force and area is called pressure. Ratio of force and area is called pressure. Or force per unit area is called pressure. And force is directly proportional to pressure, and pressure is inversely proportional to area. This is proportional to sign. What is the name of this? More force, more pressure. Less force, less pressure. Pandu. This is fist. Here like this. In which condition it will pain more? Pandu, fist, or khota? If you given like this, will it pain or not? Remember. Like this also it will pain, but pain will be a bit less. Less pain means less pressure. Means it has highest area, least pressure. Least area, more pressure. For piercing the nose or ears, they use pointed thing or blunt thing. While cutting the vegetables, which part of the knife do you use? Blunt one or sharp one? Sharper one, right? Now the thing is coming. In some houses, one to Kasi and Boka, right? So the weapon which is used for cutting those animals should have sharp edge or blunt edge. Very sharp. Sometime it will go up to the item which is kept down also, right? What is that? What is it? What is it? Okay, so force acting per unit area, SI unit is. What is the SI unit of force? Either Newton per meter square. What do you call it? Newton per meter square, or we write PA, Pascal, right? Pascal. And relation of pressure with its factor is, it is directly proportional to force, inversely proportional to area. Here is low pressure, here is high pressure, is here, right? Compare these two bodies. Area is large, area is small. Large area, less pressure, less area, more pressure. Here you also given one example. Uh, one girl is using high heel shoes, another girl is using flat shoes, right? So, in which case more pressure is exerted on the ground? First case or second case? First case. Why? Area is less, more pressure. Area is more, less pressure. So she has already said, we have discussed this one. Remember, Newton per meter square, Pascal, right? And formula also you have to remember. What is the formula? P equals to F by A. That is for The pressure only. But here is another term. What is this? Liquid pressure. Pressure exerted by liquid. The liquid is kept in this container. What is kept in this container? Liquid is kept. When the liquid is kept here, it exerts pressure everywhere. And that pressure is called liquid pressure. Pressure exerted by solid is solid pressure. Pressure exerted by liquid is liquid pressure. Liquid pressure exerted by gas is gas pressure. I think there is no house where they don't use gas cylinder, right? There is gas cylinder or not? So when you open that, what is his name? I forgot just now. No, one item is there. Stop. Then sound comes or not? Have you noticed? Heard? That means there is gas pressure. What is that? Gas pressure. So if they wish to fill air in that tubes of vehicles, they also sound comes, right? Means that is gas pressure. What is that? Gas pressure. So liquid pressure is the pressure exerted by liquid on the wall of the container, and liquid pressure depends upon three factors. How many factors? What are they? Liquid pressure is equals to H, D, G. Three things. What is H? Height of liquid column. Height of liquid column. What is D? So this is height. D is density. What is this? Density. What is G? Acceleration due to gravity. Earlier, for pressure, we use the formula P equals to what formula use? F by A. Now, what is the next formula? For liquid pressure, P equals to H G. Okay, P equals to H G. You know, the liquid or the water comes with more pressure in ground floor or in topmost floor. If you keep the bucket in ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, and open the taps, which one is filled faster? Ground floor. We might have noticed, no? Why? Pressure is more. Why pressure is more? Height is more. Because the water tank is kept at the top of the house, right? From top, when you come down, height increases. Density of liquid means how much dense or heavy it is. And what is H? Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is if anybody is kept at a certain altitude, it falls down with some acceleration, that is called acceleration due to gravity. Okay. The value of acceleration due to gravity is mainly how much? 9.8 meter per second square on Earth's surface. But in other heavenly bodies it differs, right? Up to here it is completed. So children, first, Virajan, did you prepare last time question? Did you send to your friends? Did they do? And next one, who has done? Next question. Jane, have you done made the question? Did you make or not? So today Jane will send the question to you. Which question? Jane will send question to you. Just get his email or just provide your email to him. Then he will send. Everybody must provide email to him. Do you know how to send? If you can send to multiple people also, just you will type and that must be solved and submitted tomorrow. Now I don't want to hear that I have got this and that. Get connected with him and question must come in your email. Understood? And side by side this note making work you can continue. Understood or not? Now very less time is left. Today is Sunday. From next Monday or Tuesday there is exam. Ready? So please be focused. Those who are passive, like this Sumit Sunar, Eri Khadka, Sugam Magar, Mohan Surkheti, then Jain Lama also became very late. Such type of activity must not be repeated. You continue your work. When your teacher comes, then you be ready for it. That's the way. Utilize your time for your positive skills. And you be careful what I think. You are playing with your paper right now. What is in your hand? Why do you need it? Give. So which is not needed, why to take out? Right? Okay, please be in action.